Windbreaks, I can tell you a little bit about them if you're interested in that.
One of the ways that we can bring back knowledges that have been lost on landscapes is through working together and bringing lots of geographic knowledge, lots of cultural knowledge, and a lot of personal experience to the table. And so today and throughout the day, I just welcome folks to do that because we're here to do something great together.
Today we taught people all about windbreaks. We had a group of folks come out and walk around different designs of windbreaks that are designed for different purposes. So we looked at windbreaks that are designed for wildlife and wind protection, windbreaks that are designed for food production with fruit and nut trees. We looked at ones that have pollinizing elderberry and hazelnuts for our other elderberry and hazelnut crop systems. And then we looked at stuff particularly useful for pesticide drift.
For particular drift damage from neighboring fields, windbreaks can provide an excellent buffer. And that drift protection can also help with dust as well.
The unique thing about windbreaks is it's an edge of field practice and they incorporate trees back onto the landscape. So here in central Illinois, we don't have a lot of perennials on our farms. Corn and soybeans, those are annual crops. And in the wintertime, there is basically nothing growing here unless you have cover crops. So by putting windbreaks back onto the landscape, we're bringing life back into our winters with these trees and bringing all sorts of perennial habitat back onto the farm. I found a toad out here today and that made me so happy. We've had these windbreaks here for only 3 years and there are so many creatures that are back here on this landscape that have been gone for decades because they haven't had any habitat. So that to me is really why I think a lot of people are interested in windbreaks is the biodiversity benefits of it. But there's a slew of other reasons why windbreaks are super popular.